guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be going through and showing you guys all of the awesome stuff I have recently gotten from Amazon for my nails, from tools to polish to everything you can think in between. So if you're excited to see my favorite things from Amazon for my nails, then go ahead and keep watching. I used to get my nails done all of the time. I love doing it, but I think it was because of COVID, I had stopped because we couldn't go out and do anything and they grew out and I just kind of was like, I'm done with these. I also hate typing and doing anything with them. I like them, and when I don't have them, I miss them. But then when I have them, I'm like, oh, these kind of get on my nerves. But I decided to start doing my own gel nails, like no tips, just the gels. And so I bought a few things from Amazon, and then a few things turned into an entire nail salon in my house. So I'm gonna show you. Now this is not including my whole nail polish collection, just so I'm clear, because when I do my redo my background for you guys on camera, you're gonna see my whole nail polish collection. But this is just stuff that literally I've bought within the past 6 to 7 months off of Amazon for my nails. So the first thing I got was this 2-in-1 LED and UV lamp. So it is power adjustable. It plugs into the wall. It has an on-off switch, 5 seconds, 30 seconds, and 60 seconds. It's touch sensitive, so when I put my hands in, it turns on. When I move them out, it turns off. The bottom of the plate also comes off, so I use it for my toes. Instead of trying to like stick my foot in there, I just place it over top of my foot. So I really love this. So this right here is the lamp, and then this comes off like this. Magnetic, so I have to like put it right in place. I use this lamp for my gel nails. Obviously, if I'm just using a regular polish, I just let them dry. I just prefer gel nails because 1, they last longer, 2, I think that they look better, like the quality of it, and then 3, they dry faster. So I don't have to wait and guess. But the next item is this little book here, and it comes with a little stamper, and if I find it, I'll show you guys. But basically, it's an entire like album book of these stamping plates that I got. It was pretty inexpensive. However, I have not been able to get the hang of using these. I put the polish on, I swipe it so it's even, I punch the little cushion thing on, and I put it on my nail, and it doesn't even show the imprint. So I'm not really certain if I'm doing something wrong or what, but I haven't used most of them because I tried to use them a couple of times and it's not working. So if you guys know anything about like the little stamps for your nails, then please comment down below and tell me what I'm doing wrong, because I put the polish on there, I swipe it flat, I roll the little spongy thing, and then I roll it onto my nail, and it does not even show up at all. And when it does show up, it doesn't even look like the stamp. So the next thing I have is a professional nail care system. So this is a drill. It has 30,000 RPM. It has a brush motor, if that is interesting to anybody. This, I believe, was only like $49. It wasn't too expensive, actually. I was very surprised. It's similar to ones like that they use at the shop. So it has this, and then it comes with a foot pedal, the motor button, the power cord, an on-off switch, and then how hard you want it to drill or vibrate, whatever it might be, and then FR. I don't really know what that means. And then the drill head sits in there. So obviously, like, I have all the cords and stuff, but this is the drill itself, and that's like, it literally looks like one that they use. It's heavy duty. It's really nice. I do love it. And then it comes with several different replacement heads and sanders. So let me warn you, let me give you a little warning, okay? I used this for the first time and didn't care to do my research because I was like, I know what I'm doing. Wrong. So I wound up drilling my nails down so bad that I thought one of my nails were gonna, like my actual nail was gonna separate from my finger. They were so sore and they were starting to lift. Luckily, I have very strong nails and they grow very fast, so I was able to grow them out with no issue pretty quickly. But if you don't have nails that grow super fast, you could find yourself in a really bad situation not using this correctly. So I do suggest, if you're going to get something like this, very professional, very powerful, that you look into it, you research it, and you really educate yourself on how to use it, because I did wind up injuring myself. Not severely, but I did, and I would hate to recommend something to someone and then not put that in there. Like, just be careful, because I did hurt myself. So then I got these brushes, which most people know. These are for like your hands, to wash them. I use them when I'm washing my hands normally. I use them when I'm trying to get like the powder, if I filed my nails down and stuff, like underneath and around. And then I have one that I use on my feet as well. This came in a pack of 4 with 2 of the longer handle brushes, and I think this was honestly like $5 or $6. And then we have some cotton balls. Those are from Ulta though. And then I have pure acetone, which I got from Amazon. I don't know why I'm saying where I got it from. This is all from Amazon. So it's just pure acetone. I only use 100% pure acetone on my nails because I feel like nail polish just does not do what I need it to do. And then the next thing I got was this whole pack of glue for rhinestones and stuff like that I want to put on my nails, stickers, whatever. I did not realize it came with as many as it did when it showed up. I thought it was just gonna be like this, but no, there's like 1, 2, 3, 4. There's like 4 packs. I think it's like 40 bottles of glue. Yeah, it's 40 bottles of glue in here, and I think I got it for like 10 bucks at most. But I really love this. The girls use it for their little press-on nails all the time. And then I got these, and these are just soak-off clips. You put the cotton ball with the acetone in there, and you just leave it on and let it soak. These literally were like $3. So, and it comes with 20 of them. So I will go into this bag. This was kind of expensive. Not terribly, but kind of. I think this one was like $30. I don't know. And I'll just show you like 1 or 2 of them. These are chrome powders, where you use the little sponges here to press them on. And it's for gel nails, and it makes them like look chrome, metallic, and stuff like that. And then I think I have one in here that's not chrome. It is not halo, iridescent, but they're really, really pretty. And so you put the powder on the sponge and you just massage it in until it becomes very like mirror-like and shiny. These are actually really nice, and the quality is really not bad. I think it was like 20 something of them, maybe 25. The little eyeshadow sponges were not doing it for me. So I went ahead and I ordered these, and these came with 30 of them, and they're just little rubber pushers. So you can use them for your cuticle, but I use them solely for that powder, just to push it down a little bit harder than the applicator that it came with. Like, listen, if you guys are in the nail business, Amazon is the place to go. The next things are some gold flakes I got, some colorful little gemstones, and then some different, so these are all like clear iridescent gemstones, but they're all different sizes. They go from really, really tiny down here to pretty chunky. And then these are just silver ones, and they do exactly like the other ones. They go from really, really tiny down to pretty chunky. So, and we use these all of the time. My girls do. I love the gold flecks, the gold, rose gold, and silver flake. You just pull pieces off and place it on your nail after you cure it, and then put the top coat on. So I got a bunch of these, and I can only find this one because my girls take all of my things, but I got like, I want to say a pack of 5 of these for a couple of dollars on Amazon, and I really, really like them. They worked really well for what I needed. So I got these little tweezers, little clamp things. So each gemstone came with one of these, and then I ordered one of these because I did not know that it came with, each one of those came with this. So if you order those gemstones and stuff, check the description on Amazon, because all of them came with one of these, and you're not gonna need that many. I now have like 3 or 4. And then here's just some brushes I got. I think it was as a set though, it wasn't individually. This one comes with a little cuticle pusher or anything you want to use that for, and then it's like pointy. These are just literal like nail, they're just nail brushes that I got. I figured some of them can be like paint brushes and stuff, but I got just a bunch of random nail brushes. So the first things that we wound up getting were these stickers. So these are all different stickers, butterflies, flowers, and then we have some shimmery ones with stars, they're back here, and stripes, and then these black and white ones. And then we got like these more mosaic, like artsy kind, which was like real big with like the faces and stuff and flowers. My daughter Madison loves these. So, and there's just all different kinds. And these stickers are not very expensive at all. I think each pack was a couple of dollars, at most $5. So just check them out. I'm telling you, if you guys want to start doing your nails, Amazon. Amazon. To be fair, Amazon is like my favorite place to shop. I should do like an expose Amazon shopping, like my orders. Is that like, do you know what I mean? Like, just go sit here with you guys one day and just go back like 6 months and tell you all of the things I've bought and whether I use them or I don't use them anymore. I think I might do that. That'd be pretty fun. Let me know down in the comments below if you want to see that. So here is another bin. I got this, and this was in one of my favorites videos. I absolutely love this thing. There are still things in here that I have no idea what they do over here. This is a manicure set, but for the most part we have clippers, toe clippers, little scissors, tweezers. We don't have tweezers. I don't know why I said that, but just different cuticle cutters and stuff like that. But there are some things, like I said, over here that I really don't know. And it comes in a pretty heavy duty case, so I really recommend something like this. Again, I got a whole pack of these. I think there were 10 of them for probably like $5 or $6. These are like literally my favorite nail files ever. I probably will never buy them anywhere else. They are more fine here and more gritty here, but they're really sturdy and strong. And I found another buffer, so I keep them together. Oh, I found 2 more buffers. So they didn't take them all. So I really enjoy these buffers and these files, and they're not expensive. That's my favorite thing, is like all together, if you buy this at one time, it's probably gonna cost you like a couple $100. But if you just get pieces and pieces and then have them at your house, if you're a salon goer, like you love to go to the salon, that's your thing, then this is not gonna be for you. But if you would like to start doing them at home, Amazon is the place. Just start looking up and just start investing in little things, pieces by pieces. Like, I did not get this all at one time. It was over the span of a couple of months. Like, I'd get this or I'd get that. So, but it was very inexpensive, and the quality I found to be extremely nice. So this is my little container of things. I have some brushes in here, some tweezers in here. I have these neat, nifty little circle makers. So like they make like dots and designs and stuff. They're double-ended. I don't really know what they're called. You could tell me down below. But I think I got like a set of 5 plus that brush. So I had a pink one in there. Plus that brush, and they're all different sizes. And then I got this one, which picks up those little gems I was showing you, or this side can pick up the gems. And then I have 2 glass nail filers. these actually, I don't like these. I don't like glass nail files at all. I know a lot of people like them and they're supposed to be better for your nails, but I just don't like that they don't file my nails the way that I like. I feel like it just takes too long and I just don't care for them. And here's another one of those little picker-uppers. And then here's another one of them. Like, I'm telling you, when I tell you they came, each one came with little tweezers to the gems and stuff. Yes. And then the little stampy thing. Some more brushes in here. So just a bunch of stuff. And then this container, I think this container came with one of the kit. Came with one of something. I don't remember. This container was not bought by itself. So, but I love to have this to keep all my tools right there. Some more brushes. That whole brush that I bought, I just looked under nail brushes and I'm pretty certain these are like paint brushes, but I use them. They have all different shapes, all different lengths, so you can do all kinds of fun stuff with it. And here's that sponge, not sponge, like stamper that I was telling you about, the little jelly thing for those stamp things, and you roll it. I can't get it to work. And no matter what I do, they just don't transfer. So I wouldn't recommend that unless someone can tell me I'm doing it wrong. And then this is what I scrape off the extras with. I just can't get it to work no matter what I do. And then I have this, which is Mess No More. I believe they sell this at Sally's and maybe Walmart. It was pretty inexpensive though, I think like $3. And I put this around my nails before I start painting them. What happens is it will dry. So if I get any nail polish there, I can just peel it up. I'll show you once it dries. And then I got a nail oil from there, or cuticle oil, which I really, really like, and it was very inexpensive. So this was the first ever set I got. I got a black one, a white gel polish, and then a foundation and a top coat. Don't know why I said it like that. And this is just called gel polish, and I think the brand is just called gel polish. They're actually really, really nice and good quality. So let me show you this real quick. So then it peels off just like that, and then any polish you may have got on here is gone, and then you could kind of just file around to make it look really nice. So this is all one brand, and I'm just going to kind of briefly show you. These came with a base gel, a top gel, and then a top matte. So you can get the sets where it's like 20 of them plus these, or you can get it cheaper where if you already had these, like I already had these when I bought a set, and then I bought a second set and it didn't have the top coats and stuff, so it was cheaper. But with these it's a little bit more expensive, and they're decent size. They're kind of small, I won't lie, but these work really nice. They just kind of stink really bad. I'm not gonna lie to you. So then I got these guys, and this company is called Beetles Gel Polish. So when I first bought these on Amazon, I won't lie, I had no idea that they were this small. Now, if you have a ton of nail polish, you're not gonna go through one of these for quite a while. So small isn't a big deal, but if you're the kind of person that only likes to wear like the same color, you may want to get several of these, or may find a different brand, because these are really, they're all really tiny, but I really like them, really like them. So some of them came with the colors and the numbers at the top, and then I got some with my second order that just came with white stickers, and I had to paint a color like swatch on each one and then cure it underneath. But these are so pretty. Look at that. They're so pretty. They're so creamy. I don't get bumpies. I don't get too thick. It's not too runny, but I really love it. And they were pretty inexpensive, but I have a ton of colors from pastel to black to glitter. I have a couple glitter ones, which I really like, and they're not bad. I literally just have to do 2 coats, and look at this. I just have to do 2 coats and it's covered in glitter. Like, these are so nice. So I definitely want to buy some more, but like, I just have a lot. I need to calm down. You know how you get to a point with something where you're like, okay, I've definitely bought enough. Like, I haven't reached that point with makeup, but I think I've definitely reached that point with my nail stuff. So I'm just trying to cut back, like, okay, I don't need all of this. So, but that is it, guys. I hope you liked my Amazon nail favorites, Amazon nail haul. Don't really know what we're calling it. It doesn't matter. But these are all the things that I've gotten off of Amazon for my nails, and I really enjoyed them. Again, the only one I've really had an issue with was the nail stamping pusher thing. Again, if you know how to do it correctly, please tell me, because clearly I'm doing something wrong. But I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up for me. Make sure you are subscribed. I do new videos every single week, and you don't want to miss out on those, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!